Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys a few things that I've done. I'm doing. I'm going to start with the gun for Orthia. Then I'm going to do the gun that I'm making for what the hell is his name? Well, one of the duocons that I have, the only duocon I have, and then we're going to start into the Siege weapon expansions. Also, this is probably going to be showing up once or twice a week for a while. I'm not counting this as Pimp My Bot. Pimp My Bot, it will be a different thing altogether. It will already be existing stuff, not stuff I make for it. And hopefully, from the way things are looking right now, I'm going to be able to do some toy hunts and reviews of new stuff that I get as I get it. So, enjoy. Okay, that's done. We have it on the hand. I'm gonna go put it on her. Okay. Let's see here. See if I can do this with one hand. Nope. Okay, there's the gun And Orthia. Hopefully, Orthia still hold up. Unfortunately, her arm doesn't want to. Yeah, I really need to fix those hips. But, okay, Orthia's finished. She can go in the box.